Hi, I'm Tiffany Seal with Three Goddess Gardens. I would love to share with you our nature journey sessions. Shinrin Yoku, known to the Japanese, which is forest bathing, and many other cultures practice their way of connection to the nature that we came from. Just as our Wi-Fi connects computers, our phones, and technology, what's within us needs the same signal and frequency that nature carries to balance certain parts of our brain, our parasympathetic nervous system, which lessens our fight or flight responses, as well as our channels that help our body recreate and regenerate ourselves from a healthier perspective and a healthier mindset. When we repeatedly go out in nature, it rewires those pathways to create our new normal. So then our body's new normal is constant healing. So in our sessions with Nature Journeys with Three Goddess Gardens, we look to create less fear and more vigilance. We take the body from a discomfort and we move into transforming that discomfort to a comfortable space of healing through breath work, through meditation, through connecting to the water, the flora, and the fauna, recognizing what's around us, connecting to the sounds, the textures, the smells, and the colors. For more information on our nature journeys, you can see threegoddessgardens.com, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.